The Berne Hi Vis Class 3 Hooded Softshell Jacket is expertly crafted to ensure visibility and protection while delivering comfort and functionality, making it an essential choice for work on the job site, around the shop, or on the farm, particularly in conditions requiring high visibility. Constructed from 8.26-ounce polyester softshell bonded to micro fleece, this jacket offers superior wind and water resistance while remaining breathable to maintain airflow. This combination ensures that you stay dry and comfortable without overheating, even during intense physical work. The jacket is equipped with an adjustable 3-piece hood, adjustable cuffs, and an elastic waist cord with toggles, all designed to trap heat and offer a customizable fit that keeps out the cold and elements. Storage is convenient with zippered left chest pocket and front pockets, providing secure and accessible space for essentials. Enhanced with 2-inch reflective tape, the jacket meets the ANSI ISEA 107-2020 Type R Class 3 certification, ensuring high visibility and safety in low-light conditions. The Berne Hi Vis Class 3 Hooded Softshell Jacket is not just a piece of workwear. It's a safety necessity for anyone working in environments where visibility is crucial.